Two men accused of stealing cows were chopped to death by a mob in Wat Townsend and on Monday morning. The names of the deceased have not yet been released. Police report that around 11 a.m. the men were mobbed and beaten by residents. The Wat Town police are investigating. A former member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force was shot to death in Caymanas Garden, St. Catherine on Monday night. The deceased have been identified as 33-year-old Donovan McLean of Hotline Avenue, Caymanas Garden. Reports reaching Observer Online are that McLean was among a group of people at a car wash about 10:25 p.m. when a white Toyota Axia motorcar drove up. Three men reportedly alighted from the vehicle, armed with handguns, and opened gunfire before making their escape. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, McLean was seen suffering from multiple gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Two men were injured in the attack. They were being treated at hospital. One is said to be in serious condition while the other is stable. A businesswoman was killed in a gun attack on Delamere Avenue in St. Andrew on Monday morning. The deceased has been identified as Stephanie R. Browning, a hair salon operator. Observer Online understands that about 11:45 a.m., the mother of the four was on her way to pick up her 3-year-old son from school when she was attacked by unknown assailants who opened gunfire, hitting her. She was pronounced dead at hospital. No motive has been established for the killing. Detectives from the Criminal Investigations Branch in Port Antonio, Portland, are probing the death of an unidentified man whose body was found along Arbor Street on Monday morning with the head bashed in. Police sources say the body was discovered in a drain shortly after 5 a.m. Monday by a passerby who raised an alarm. Upon inspecting the body, investigators noted the head injury and said there were no other visible wounds. The police are appealing to the public for assistance in identifying the deceased. The body has been transferred to the morgue.